is grab your throat.
If you give her one problem, you're getting handcuffed.
Shut up.
Okay, you listen to her now.
I listen to her. Based on your Supreme Allied Commander, Donald Trump, I'm not giving you anything.
On October 2nd, Parma Heights police responded to what initially appeared to be a routine traffic crash, but as officers began investigating the scene, the situation quickly took an unexpected turn. Authorities say the driver responsible for the collision, an 80-year-old man, became increasingly hostile and combative after officers asked him to provide identification.
Were you in that truck?
No, I'm the one that was in that truck.
You were in that truck? Were you driving this vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you okay? I see your airbag went off.
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, we have a squad coming anyways. They're going to check you out.
Ma'am, I don't have hearing aids, okay? So you have to talk to me.
Oh, talk loud.
So what's up?
Well, we're having a squad come to check you out. Make sure you're okay.
I'm fine.
Okay. So what happened?
I really don't know. I actually ran in.
5-2. You were coming which way?
I make hitting the curve to come on Stump Road, whatever it's called.
You were on Stump Road. Do you know where you're at right now?
Sure I do.
Where are you at?
I live around the corner over here.
So you were coming down Pearl, going north, and you went to turn this way?
Yeah, I was...
They're coming out. They're going to come check you out, make sure you're okay.
I'm
just
sorry, I can't see you.
No, you're okay. They're going to come and check you out, make sure you're okay, just because your airbag went off. Did you hit your head or anything?
No.
Cut your lip?
Negative.
Okay. Well, they're going to look at you over and make sure everything's okay first, okay? Is this car registered to you?
Yes. Well, it's registered to my company. Okay?
Do you have your ID on you then?
Well, yeah, I do, but...
Is this the second car that's involved? Yes, it's second one.
Can I see it?
No. Okay? Why am I being stopped?
You got into an accident.
Well, actually... Okay.
Can I see your driver's license?
I'm not doing anything, okay? My lawyer always tell me to, like, figure this out right now and what you're gonna do. And, wow. Well, my car's not injured, okay?
Your airbag went off.
No,
Look at the front of your car.
I know that.
Okay. They're going to look you over and make sure you're okay.
Look, I'm not making any statements, okay? Get the
Okay.
picture,
Okay. We didn't say you had to make any statements.
Here, okay?
Okay. We just are asking to see your ID. You were involved in an accident. Your airbags went off.
Forget about the ID. Forget about everything. Maybe I'm from Mexico, okay? You know what I mean? I'm being facetious, but you're you know.
I'm what? Can I see your driver's license?
I don't have one.
You don't have a driver's license?
I don't have an ID, okay?
Do you know your social?
Pardon me?
Do you know your social?
I'm not going to give you that. Why am I being tortured? My insurance will cover that. Whatever
Okay.
it is. Okay.
Well, you were involved into an accident. We got called.
My insurance will cover that.
Okay. We still need to identify you
Pardon?
for the accident.
What?
We still need to identify you for the accident.
Yeah. Okay.
So can I see your driver's license?
I'm not giving you any information.
Okay, well...
Based on your Supreme Allied Commander, Donald Trump, I'm not giving you anything, okay? That's it. If you want to find it out, you can have at it. It's not a big deal.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
It's me. It's Elena.
Yeah,
Are you okay?
sure.
Okay. They just want to help. Okay? What happened?
What?
Are you okay?
Yeah, sure enough, yeah.
Bob, they just want to help.
They don't want to help, okay?
I know.
They're, Donald Trump has got these people
It's okay.
framed what?
I know.
They don't want to help, okay? That's it.
Listen, you look like you're a little banged up.
No, I'm fine.
So we can free up these paramedics. Do you want to see them about any of your injuries, or are you hurt?
I'm fine.
Do you
You're
need
fine.
to see the paramedics?
No.
Okay.
Let's just answer some questions.
Yeah.
We'll get it all figured out.
Bob, just for the insurance to do the report and everything, we need to see your ID so we can identify you.
Forget about that, okay? I'm an American citizen. I have a
think
passport, okay? And you can go from there. All right? You want me to get my passport? I have to go back to where I live.
Okay.
But,
Okay.
yeah. Forget about all this.
So when you're involved in a crash and you commit or you commit a
What?
traffic violation,
Just listen.
you have to provide ID. Are you refusing to do that?
Just tell me
No, I
you don't
have a
have it right now.
Okay, let's see it.
Oh, I got to go get it.
How about your driver's license? That's the one we're actually
Wait a
supposed
minute.
to see.
That's a Ohio State thing, okay?
Right.
So I'm not interested in.
I don't,
What are you going to charge me with? Okay.
I don't think they're good.
Well,
What?
At least on
we're
it.
going to see what
It
happened
is
in the
not
crash, but it
anymore.
sounds like you crossed over the double yellow line and crashed into that pickup
Well,
truck.
that never happens here before, okay? So, no, that
We're
I'm
trying
also
to get-
concerned if you had alcohol to drink today.
negative,
Nothing at all.
negative,
Would you take a couple of tests so we could check on
negative. Okay, I'm not doing anything with you guys. Okay, what are you, ISIS? What?
Bob, no. They
No,
want to help.
Donald Trump?
we just need to
Come on,
identify you for the
I'm
accident.
not
So
doing anything. If
It's
you
a-
ask me
Bob, it's
questions,
okay.
you're
I'll
refusing to
ask
identify
you,
yourself?
What?
Are you
Okay.
refusing to identify yourself?
Bob, look
Well,
at your
what you
car.
want?
They just want to help. They're
What?
just here to help. You were in an accident.
They don't want to.
So your first name is Robert. I don't remember your last name. What is your last name?
I don't care. What's your last name?
Rossman.
Bob,
It's right here on the
Forget
tag
about
so I
it,
can read
okay?
it.
I don't care
Just-
what your last name is. Okay?
he's not. He
I
doesn't
care
have
what
anything.
yours is. Can you tell it to me?
No.
So there's no reason to keep asking. It doesn't happen.
Was there a name that the BMW came back to?
Did you hit your head at all, Bob?
What?
Is your head okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Just want to make
This
sure.
is stupid. Okay.
I know it's an accident, and we just want to get it figured out.
Yeah, once we
Do you,
get
do you have a valid driver's license in Ohio?
Look, I'm not answering any of your questions. So you
okay.
understand that?
Just
If
okay.
you let me just make one thing clear to you. If you refuse to ID yourself, you're going to be placed under arrest. Do you understand that?
You can do all that. All right?
Are you going to identify yourself?
I can yes, I
Okay,
can.
what is your last name?
Keep it.
No, that doesn't help me.
Well, then, you know what? Go somewhere else, okay?
Bob, just tell them your last name and your info.
Look,
You can't get out of this. Your car is all banged up. They just want to help you. It's just, let's make everyone's day easier. Come on. And if you need my help
look,
later, I'll
you
help
don't,
you until you get
you don't
want my
correlate this, how you have to deal with these people, okay?
You wanna write
Now
down-
they're ISIS. Wait,
I
wait,
think they're- I
you
think
know
they're-
what?
we're
I'm
not-
from Guatemala.
I think your
Okay.
neighbor's giving you some good
What?
advice here. I
What?
think your neighbor's giving you some good
she's
advice.
just looking out for you.
I'm telling you right now, I'm from Guatemala.
Okay.
I'll go. We get it figured out. I'll give you my cell phone. You call me, and we'll get your car figured out. Remember when I helped you at Searles, and I picked it up? We'll get it figured out.
There's nothing wrong
Remember
with
when
my
we
car,
did it last
okay?
time? We'll just do it like last time. Remember? It was fine.
What?
Remember when we got your car from Searles? This is going to have to be towed, I'm sure.
No, it doesn't have to be towed.
Yes, Bob, we
fine.
can't drive that. Look at it.
What?
Come
You
on.
can't drive it. It's
Let's
not
just make
drivable.
everyone-
Well,
stay
all I
easier,
can say is
okay?
the car will drive,
No,
okay?
no,
It's
you
not a
already
big
know it
deal.
won't.
So what do you want to do?
Well,
We
now that
need
I'm-
your.
First basic thing is we need your ID. And then secondly, we're still concerned that you've had some alcohol to drink. And now that I'm downwind from you, I'm getting an odor of that.
I don't care what your odor is. You stink to me, okay? All right? You're a
do
stinky
not
ass
want to-
mother.
I do not want to arrest you, but I'm going to have to demand ID from you or you're going to be placed under
No,
arrest.
no, hell no.
give you
You
a
know
You're
where
under
I
arrest.
live.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
All right, Bob.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
Bob.
Wait,
No, turn around,
I'm
put your
not
hand behind
going to resist.
Put your hand
okay?
behind your back.
Your phone.
You are under arrest. Put your hand behind your... Don't block it. Are you really going to make us do this?
Just come on, Bob.
I do not want to put you on the ground.
You do want to.
No,
okay?
I
You
don't.
love it.
Put your hand back.
It's all right, Bob.
Let's put it on the ground.
Stop.
It's okay.
Okay?
Relax. Put your hands behind your back.
You can call me
Fuck
later.
out of here,
It's
pal,
okay.
okay? I know who you are.
It's okay, Bob.
Stop.
Bob, it's
Stop.
okay.
Just-
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are. Turn
Bob,
around.
it'll be okay.
Yeah,
We'll get it
right.
all
It'll be
figured out.
wanna do
okay.
this
He
as
just
gently
jammed
as
my
possible.
thumb.
We
Okay.
do want to do
trying
this
to
as
do
gently
it.
as possible.
Bob, it'll
Can
be
you
okay.
please just put your hand behind your back? I don't want to put you on the ground.
Dude, my pants are falling down, okay? I gotta pull them up. 5 squad cars, okay? You guys are overpaid. I hope Donald Trump takes care of you, okay? Listen, look, I'll go in your car, whatever you want. My pants are falling down.
Well, hop in the seat and you won't have to worry about it when you're in here.
What? Are you Parma Heights Police
Yes.
Department?
Slide
What?
in.
No, wait. Who are you?
I'm Officer Rossman with the Parma Heights Police Department.
Wait,
I'll sit your butt on the seat.
I can't hear you.
Parma Heights Police Department, Officer Rossman.
Wait.
Robert, sit.
Look, I'm 80 years old. You want to?
No, I do not.
I don't think you don't.
Sit.
Okay.
Yep. Sit. Are you gonna sit in my car or do I gotta drag you in there?
I'll go in your car.
Go.
Don't worry about it. I don't just need the stress, okay? So maybe you just take me up to the.
Sit.
You're just gonna sit in the car.
Sit in the car.
Bullshit.
Sit in the car.
I know you're drone.
All right, well, sit.
Okay, then sit down in the car.
Don't.
Sit.
Okay.
Okay,
I
so
know
just
who
sit
you
down.
are.
Sit.
Okay.
Get your legs in there.
I'm going in.
Go.
And I'm volunteering to do this.
Thank you.
Okay.
I respect that.
All right. Get this mother off my handcuffs, okay?
No, we gotta leave that on.
Oh, well, you know what? Take me to the hospital then.
No,
I'm
sit
80 years old. Take me to the hospital
you're going
right
to
now.
jail right now.
Yeah, that's it. Take me to the hospital.
Thank you.
All the time.
Is he diagnosed with anything that you know?
Yeah, he's got, he doesn't have family here. They're all in Florida.
Okay.
I just hate seeing him like that. Sorry.
Okay. That's alright.
Yeah, so he's got cirrhosis of the liver.
Okay.
He's just old. He doesn't have a license, so there's no reason to keep asking him for the license.
Oh, okay. So he doesn't have one.
Yeah, that's why he's getting all upset.
That's why he's being defensive about it.
Yes, because they want his license and he
Yeah.
doesn't have one.
Yeah, he has to supply it. He just got into an accident.
I know.
He hit somebody, so.
I know, and he's all upset because
Yeah.
we live right here.
Okay.
So he's probably thinking, I'm right here, you know.
What's his name? Bob?
I think it's,
Oh, I didn't even recognize him.
yeah, it's,
Yeah, can you remind me how to spell it? I haven't seen him
Sick.
in years.
shit, let me see. I'm not sure. It's either.
6134. We've dealt with him a lot.
I
It's been a
know.
number of years.
I know, because I have kind
The
of.
driver of that BMW is going to be.
And honestly, the last time the cops actually thanked me
been
because
so
they were
long.
like, because I live next door, you know, I kind of keep him home.
Yeah.
I help him grocery shop and everything. So that's why I'm just like,
I don't remember him. It's just as long as I've been in Parma Heights, he's
Yeah.
never had a license.
I know.
So this has been an ongoing
I know.
thing with him.
I know, and he
all right.
means well.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yep, thank you.
You better shave, pal. Oh, you guys are all Trumpites. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be talking like this. Okay? I'm going to hell. And,
If I let one hand out, are you gonna twist my head off?
what?
If I let one hand out and handcuff you to the bed, you might be more comfortable, but I don't want you to rip my head off.
No, I'm going to grab your throat and choke you until you can't breathe anymore.
Well, how can I let you out of those then?
Okay. I don't have anything.
Nothing on you?
No.
Here, I'm gonna read this part to you. You can follow along, okay?
Forget about it. I don't want to hear it. I'm not signing anything.
That's, I gotta read it to you.
You can do whatever you want, pal. Okay?
All right.
Hold it.
All I want to do is grab your throat. Okay?
Sit down.
That's it. Okay? You
Grow
don't
up.
understand.
Hey,
Grow
Robert,
up.
I'm not right.
can you see it from here?
Okay? Yeah.
Can you see it?
You would never get away, pal. I'm 80 years old.
So you are now under arrest for operating a
Alright,
vehicle while under the
whatever.
influence of
Sign
alcohol.
that. You sign it, whatever you want. Okay?
gotta
Donald
relax.
Trump will sign it. I want to grab your
I don't want to have to
fucking hand
handcuff both
and
hands to
fuck
the
down
bed.
your neck. Okay? You punk mother. Okay?
So you're now under arrest for operating a vehicle under the
Amen.
influence of alcohol,
Okay, I
a drug, a
understand
combination of them.
Okay?
If you refuse to take any chemical test required by law, your Ohio
I'm
driving
not
privileges
taking
will be
anything
suspended
by-
immediately,
required by law,
and you will have
okay?
to pay a
Sorry.
fee to have your
I'm not
privileges
trying to be
reinstated.
Weird to you.
If you have a prior conviction of OVI or operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol,
I realize.
or listed substance or listed metabolite of a controlled substance under state or municipal law within the preceding 20 years, you're now under arrest for state OVI. And if you refuse to take a chemical test,
That's it.
you will face increased penalties if you are subsequently convicted of the state OVI.
Whatever.
If you take any chemical test required by law and are found to be at or over the prohibited amount of alcohol, a controlled substance, or a metabolite of a controlled substance in your whole blood, blood serum, plasma or breath, or urine as set by law, your Ohio driving privileges will be suspended immediately, and you'll have to pay a fee to have those privileges reinstated.
To you, pal. Thank you.
If you take a chemical test, you may have an independent chemical test taken at your own expense. Did you hear all that? Okay.
Okay.
Can I get some blood from you?
Get the out of here, okay? I was allowed to have one arm free, and my only arm was to grab you by the neck and squeeze the wheel.
Yeah.
Hey, did you hear what he said?
So will you give us a blood sample?
No.
Okay.
No.
All right. Talking about his medical.
You ever
complaints.
jump out of an airplane with
Yes.
80 pounds of weight on your back?
No, not
in
that
the middle
much.
of the night?
No, mine was during the day.
Total darkness?
No.
You
All mine have been
mother-
during.
Yeah, what was your game, okay? You went to the police
Are
academy?
you going to give her a problem, or do I got to handcuff that other arm? If you give her one problem, you're getting handcuffed.
Shut up!
Okay, you listen to her now.
I listened to her.
The 80-year-old suspect is now facing multiple criminal charges. As always, all suspects are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. To watch more police body cam videos like this, go to my YouTube channel, Mo's Police Footage.